finished day 2 of welding and it went really,
I was just to say Paul hasn't.
No, I know it.
Paul's still going.
Paul's still working. I feel kind of bad, like look at us, we're just in front of the camera.
Oh, there be love, love, love. Wherever you go, 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 there be love.
Are we walking or not?
Yep, we're walking.
Okay.
Oh, let's record. Oh, we are recording. Welcome back to another day of welding. Our welder man and now friend Paul has returned for us.
Thank you, Paul.
Goodness, because we would have been in a bad state without him. And so we're returning for work on the roof.
Yep, I'm going to be cutting out some rotten sections around the gutter area before turning my attention onto the center of the roof to cut out some more of the old vent areas.
Yep, and so we're grabbing a ladder from the garage now, and then we will head back down for Paul. You sure are a slow walker.
Oh, mercy sake. I walk too slow, I walk too fast.
Come on, I have work to do.
I don't hold the ladder right.
Paul's waiting for us.
Voila.
This is probably the moment I've been most scared of. Andrew, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna take out this huge piece of giant metal. So pitted and corroded, there's holes in it, so we can chop it all out, put a fresh new panel in.
Okay, I'm gonna delay this and I'm gonna go inside. I don't know if maybe you can, one of you guys, or you can help me.
Yeah, yeah.
Enter and then make a mark like forward or something, like
Okay.
arrow, so I know, yeah, without the front. Yep.
We finished day 2 of welding and it went really,
I was just to say Paul hasn't.
No, I know it.
Paul's still going.
Paul's still working. I feel kind of bad, like look at us, we're just in front of the camera. Okay, we finished day 2 of welding and Paul's done an amazing job.
Paul's done an awesome.
He's welded up all these holes by the gutter and it looks amazing. The sad
Certainly does.
is that
What?
the sad news is I'm not gonna I'm not going to be here tomorrow, so I'm leaving it up to you two guys. And what are you doing?
Yep, it's up to the men. It's going to be me and Paul tomorrow. We're going to have a longer day at it. Hopefully get the roof finished. So we've got the passenger side gutters to sort, and then also welding new metal on the roof where we removed the old vents and fans, etc. I also chopped a 4x2 hole in the roof this afternoon, which I was extremely proud of. Somebody else wasn't so enthusiastic.
Well, I hope you don't chop any more massive holes like that out of the Cortez, because they won't be planned. I need you to be level-headed here. We're not building a Cortez. We're welding a Cortez.
Yeah, well, you know what they say, you can't build a house with chopping down some trees. That's what they said. That's what they said.
Tell me what they said again.
A lumberjack once told me you can't make a house without chopping down a few trees. The thing. Can't bake a cake without breaking a few eggs.
Okay, listen. Paul's the only one working right now, so maybe we should go back to work.
Probably, yeah. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It is day 3. Today we're going to hopefully finish the roof. Paul's got several more panels that he needs to weld in, while I'm going to go around the existing welds and just dress them up, ready to reseal the roof. How do you think, Paul? So far, so good?
Everything's good.
What's up,
I like it.
Good.
It feels like we're gonna make some progress today for sure.
Guys, a quick update on where we're at. Paul's got this brand new panel all welded in. I'm just on the roof, just cleaning up the welds now. We've also got these 2 strengthening bars welded in here. This is where the AC unit's going to go eventually. This bit had really distorted and dropped in, so we cut a crease in it, pushed the metal up, and Paul's just welded it up from the outside using these little tabs just to give the material some heat disbursement. And he's currently welding in this guy to cover this old vent. So once he's finished that, we've got this hole left, and then the hole in the front passenger corner. What are you doing on the floor? Guess you missed what I was doing on the roof. Never mind. I just gone around that big panel, a weld edge, and just gone over it with a sand-end disc. You know, if we ever do that van life thing where people take pretty pictures. This is the second to last patch that we've got to weld up. So while Paul is welding the other panel, I'm going to make a template for this, cut out the sheet metal, so that when Paul's done welding that one, he can start on this one straight away. This is my cardboard template from the roof segment that still needs filling in. It's a bit rough, but it's bigger than what I need, so I'm going to cut it out of metal and then I can trim it down. Paul's welded in the last patch now. Fortunately, it's just starting to rain, so hopefully we can get it done before it gets too bad. That's it, guys. We're all done with welding on the roof. It's been an absolute mammoth of a day. We've been at it at least 10 hours, I think.
Yeah, close to that.
It's been hot, the roof's been distorting, we've had to put slits in it and prop it back up and add some extra braces to it, but it now looks awesome. Thank you very much, Paul.
No
really
problem.
appreciate it.
My pleasure.
And that's it. Thank you very much. See you guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Today's the day that we are finishing the roof.
Yes! Was it my turn? Oh yeah. Wait, let's just, these white bits are annoying there. Okay, never mind. They can stay.
Today's the last day for our roof.
Yes, we've invited Paul back to finish the roof. We've got one hole left that we originally left because we were going to go with one type of AC unit. We've since changed his mind, not that we do that very often, and we no longer need the hull. So Paul's back, he's going to weld all that up, and that should be it. Done.
Yes.
Yeah, you ready?
Let's get going.
Let's go.
Can we like give high fives too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not really a high five person, but okay.
Okay, well, Paul and I will give high fives.
Oh, well, don't leave me out. That's just weird.
Yo, we finished the roof!
Yay! Oh, nice job, Paul. Thank you very much.
Yay.
Yep, that's all the roof done. It's all sealed up. Fingers crossed it's all watertight, and we'll never need to weld the roof again.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Thank you very much, Paul.
Thank
really
you
appreciate
so much.
your help.
And what did we learn? Come on. Hey, and you know what? When Paul comes back, we should totally learn how to say team player in Ukrainian.
Love, hello was difficult enough.
No, come on, come on.
Командний гравець.
Oh my god, I thought we could totally get it the first part because it was like slow and like
do it again.
it has your name in it. It has your name in it.
Командний гравець.
Commandly.
Командний гравець.
Why does it sound like there's an L in it, but there's not?
Yeah.
Командний гравець.
There is totally an L
Command.
in it.
It's command.
Maybe this letter sounds like an L.
Apparently it does. So it's commandly.
Well, no, you're pronouncing command. You need to say it with an accent like komandly gravits. Okay, that was like really good.
Revites that you struggle to say the HRA bit.
I struggle, you have.
I can't do it.
Командний гравець.
No, but it's slower in the beginning.
Commandly.
Komandly gravits.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Anyone who's like Ukrainian is like, whoa, she totally said team player.
I mean, probably not. You probably said something else.
We're learning this. If you can't do the word player, I will take the word player and you can say the word team. Let's learn more Ukrainian. Let's learn how to say hello or hi.
Oh, dear.
No. Hello is insane. Zdravstvuyte.
No.
Здравствуйте.
Zdravstvuyte.
That middle part is so hard.
Zdravstvuyte. Oh.
Здравствуйте.
Let's do hi. Let's just start.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay. Listen. Private. Wait, I think I said private, but in
an accent.
Hi is
Привіт.
totally.
Привіт.
Let's practice. We will see Paul and we will go Привіт. Командливайся.
Спасибі.
Spazibi. I'll stick with
Spasibi.
that because that's thank you. I can say that.
Well, then you have to say that at the end. Spazibi. Spazibi.
Oh, spasiba.
Spasiba.
Oh, so close, so close.
We weren't sure which one it was, so we had to...
Thank you.
No problem, no
Oh,
problem.
excellent. There we go. We did learn more,
We did.
but
we learned.
we struggled a lot.
We learned our friend, which was
Мой друг.
Drew. Yes. We spent a lot of time practicing.
Yeah.
But Paul, do you want to remind everyone what your company is again?
Yes, RVA Mobile Welding Services, LLC.
Awesome. And thank you so much. We couldn't have
No
done it
problem.
without you.
Anytime, no problem.
Thanks,
It was
Paul.
a pleasure working with you guys and looking forward to doing more stuff.
Yes, absolutely. I was
There's plenty
going to say
more to
that. There's more. And we love Paul. He will definitely be back to help us.
Yay!
So until that time, make sure that you subscribe to follow our journey, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.